from there the trees.
Okay.
So the name of the trees is Millenoria Usidada. It's Latin name. But in Myanmar we call it lacquer trees. Easy to call, short name is lacquer trees, but they cannot grow in Bagan. Not in the flat, can grow in higher mountain area. It's a 1,000 meter above the sea level. So up from Myanmar, that area they can grow. The fast of bamboo and weaving the horsehair. So after lacquer on it, stay flexible. It's very lighter. That's why if you drop, it's not easy to break. But squeeze too much can crack. So also round one horsehair. Round one soft one is horsehair. Round one hard one is bamboo. So bamboo and horsehair is weaving the round shape, not square shape. Cannot square.
Okay.
Square shape, rectangular shape is made of teak. Teak is especially for the square shape. Rectangular shape is a teak. So trays at the back, the cabinet, the check is made of teak. Those are the three the base materials: bamboo, horsehair, and teak. Those on three the base materials. When we apply the lacquer, that is lacquerware. The process very simple, all by hand. So also same process, bamboo or teak or same. That's what I would like to introduce to you, bamboo process. On the bamboo, when we apply lacquer, put by the fingers, not with the brush. Brush is too soft, like a very sticky. That's what by the fingers. After the fingers can clean it with the peanut oil and wash water and soap. The lacquer is kept in the cellar. 1 week later, we have it drying already. It's past time, the outside. And inside the game, inside come time. We cannot both side in the same time because lacquer is sticky. So after outside and inside. In and out, I need it 2 weeks. Bake for smooth, we serve on it with a knife and polish with the sandpaper. After polish, you have bamboo so many joints. Those on the joints we need to protect to fit the joints. Otherwise, bamboo can crack. They like it just black. That's why we leave it. I have black wire. After black, make for design this process. This process said not the painting, not the drawing. They make it carving with this engraving. I mean, with the iron shop needle. This process. For this process, after engrave with the color red, green, yellow, 3 colors traditional. Red, green, yellow. Those are 3 colors, bro. They make 3 or 4 times engravings. So not possible in the same time for all colors. That's afraid. This process, I have 2 kinds of designers, the men and the lady. The first, the men, they make it just the outline. They make it, it's not detailed. More details. I have the ladies, they will develop in the outline to make it more details. This is for the red color. After red, the ladies also second time engraving again for the green and the last engraving for the yellow. The color doesn't stick on the plain black. That's why we need to carve again and again. This is the first carving for the first color, red. Red color I have. And red. Red is a vermilion from India. We use red, but not in Myanmar. From India, from the rock. It's vermilion. Yellow is the ochre. Yellow ochre is a stone. Get in the mountain. That we use a powder. Red and yellow mixed together. Orange color.
Orange.
Sometimes we use orange. Green is now original. Green also 2 color mixed together.
Okay.
So yellow and blue mixed together. Blue is indigo. The leaves from the trees. You get the green color. So the color is all mineral. That's why our lacquerware is safe for food. Daily use for food. Since our great grandfathers, we use food. Okay, those onto the first engraving, we have to put the red color. How to put the color? The color red vermilion and a little bit like we use again. 2 together, Miserex. After that, applying all over board by hand. The whole thing will be red color. Not with the brush, it will take long time. After that, keep in the cellar. 1 week also. After trying to take back outside and wipe it off with water and cloth, that color will remain in the engraving. It doesn't come out by the time it will be brighter and brighter. That is the first color, red. After red, for the green color, we need to engrave it again. Second time for the green. But we cannot directly new engraving. After red, we need to product on it. Otherwise, green can go into the red. To product, we use a resin from acacia trees. It's acacia resin. Do you know acacia trees? Acacia. That they can grow in Bagan, nearly at roadside here. It's very soluble in the water. We mix with the water. It's like a glue, a little bit sticky, natural glue.
Oh.
We have to apply all over to product. It's very clear. We can see like that, very transparent.
Okay.
If you wash, easy to come out. Now we have to product applying all over. Very thin layer. To dry is about 1 hour.
Okay.
After dry, make it new engraving through the acacia layer. This is like an ash that to make it stronger. Or here, they start pure lacquer. Pure lacquers will shine. Or here, pure lacquer. Just maybe with the dust from the here inside. So this room is not for the finer. I have 3 rooms. This is the first room.
Okay.
After here, they take back outside and they make it sand with the sandpaper. And then apply the lacquer again. The final room is now not like that. Final room is that they close already.
Okay.
They product from the dust.
Okay.
To clear the dust
Okay.
from the final. After he finished, she make more details for different color. But now for green, black, and green. Each color they product already with the resin. So she make it for the green. After red for the green. It's with a teak.